In this guide, I'm going to show you how to redeem and use PlayStation gift card to buy GTA 6 on PS5. This is the easiest method to do it. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, you can redeem the gift card in a few different ways. The easiest way is either through your phone. You could just do it through the PlayStation app, or you can also do it through the PlayStation website. But if you want to do it directly on your PlayStation, just go to the PlayStation store, scroll down, and then scroll up and go all the way over to the right. You're going to see these dots right here. Go ahead and select this and hit redeem code. Now, your gift card is going to have a 12-character code. This is where you go ahead and enter it in. So enter it in, hit redeem right here once you're done, and all the funds are going to be added to your PlayStation wallet. Also, if you do have a character discount code, you can also enter this in, but you want to do that during checkout instead. But once the funds are added, just search for GTA 6 and mine's going to be right here. Select it, go to purchase it like normal, and when you purchase it, go ahead and hit these dots and you can change your payment method here and go ahead and change to that gift card on here. It's really that simple. If the code isn't working, double check that you typed it in correctly, restart your PS5 or try redeeming through the app or the website instead. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.